Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be showing what the result of what I showed in my previous video when I was doing my top-down analysis for the week. And today is Sunday, and I'll be looking what has happened in the previous week and what we will be looking into in the coming week, and let's say the coming few days, or let's say few weeks to come. The current situation of the market is not favorable. Now, let me show what I mean by that. What I mean by that is this: the market is currently at a structure, so I'll be expecting price to give me the call in this structure. So what I'll be expecting is price to close above this structure or close below this structure, either way. So the close of this candlestick, daily candlestick, is what I'm looking out for, either to the downside or to the upside of the market. So once I see the clear call, then I'll be looking to buy this market towards this structure here. Or if I see the break of this structure, we're looking to sell it towards this place. So these are the two things that I'm expecting for this week. If by Monday candlestick, if by chance Monday candlestick close bullish or close bearish, I'll be looking to go along with the market direction. Let me briefly show what happened last week. So what I was able to catch on this trade last week, let me show so what really happened was this: price was at this level I think 2 weeks ago, broke this level, then retest back into it, then later broke this level again. The close of candlestick below this level during this period showed that there's high tendency the market is going to sell the more, because it has been selling from this point here. From this point here, it has been selling from this point here. So markets in that kind of situation showed me that okay, there's high tendency is going to sell more after the break of this structure, then pull back into it, then price closed below it again. So on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, that was a week. So last week there was a pullback. So this pullback was what I capitalized on last week. Let's go to 1 hour time frame to see what I'm talking about. So I saw those pullback happening last week. This was the pullback here. We had the pullback here into this structure. That was the first opportunity which I missed out. The first for I think that was on Tuesday. Yes, I missed that break on Tuesday. So I was expecting price to pull back into this supply level after the break of this structure. After the break of this structure, I was expecting price to pull back into this level here. Let me pull out my Notion. So this was what happened here. You can see, so the price sold from this point. So I was expecting price to pull back into this. Though that happened, I was unable to enter this trade. That was why I was able to, like, okay, let me look at the next opportunity in the market for me to trade this up, to go along with this market direction. So I pull out the supply level again, then price pulled into it. Then I sold this market from that point. So that was where I entered the trade, and look at how. So I saw another opportunity and I think the following day, I saw another opportunity the following day to go into the market again, but price didn't get to that point of interest for me to sell. I call it point of interest sometimes, and I call it supply level. So supply level, the reason why I used to use point of interest is that, okay, it might be anything. It can be a structure, it can be a supply level, it can be a demand level. They are all points of interest for me. They are places that I'm looking at for price reaction, then for possible entry. That is why I just categorize everything as point of interest. So whenever you see point of interest and you see supply level, sometimes you shouldn't be confused, because my supply level is also my point of interest. My Fibonacci retracement level is also my point of interest. My structure is also my point of interest. So just a general name for everything is just like a point of interest, like the particular place that I'm so interested in. So that's that. So I was expecting price to pull into this supply level here to sell the more, but price failed to do that. So I stick to this first entry and look at how massive that played out. You can see this structure was taken out. I was expecting price to get to this structure again for me to go into the market again to sell more. But that was what I was able to pick from that particular trade last week. So I map out that, okay, in case this whole movement happen, this is what I'm expecting again. Expecting price to get into this structure, then we sell from this point. If this level is broken, we sell the more, or if the level hold the price, then we'll go up with the market. So that was what I did last week, and you can see currently that is exactly things that is happening right now. The market is currently in that particular daily structure that I outlined, that I pull out on my daily time frame. So that is why during this period I won't be doing anything. I won't be trading. I'll just be looking. I'll be observing the market movements during this period. That is one thing about forex trading. It's not every day you trade. Just look at the opportunity in the market, then you go along with the market's direction. So price action is the best thing. You wait. If the market tells you to wait, you wait. If it gives you the signal to go along with it, then you go along with it. But currently, right now, I won't be doing. If by chance this whole week moved within this structure, I won't do anything throughout this week. That's it. That's the fact. But all I'll be expecting now is the break of this structure or price holding this structure any day. Can be tomorrow, which is Monday, can be on Wednesday, can be on Tuesday, anytime. I don't want to, I'm not even care. I don't even care about when it's going to happen. My whole focus is once it's happening, I should be on the watch to go along with the market direction. So that is briefly what is going to happen this week. I have my monthly structure still intact. We have it up there. We have it up there. We have it down here. What I do is just for me to look at what the market is saying and react accordingly to what the market is saying. So I have trend line here too, because I use a lot of things on this daily time frame. I can use trend line, I can use structure, I can use anything just for me to have enough confluences to trade with. So currently this is what I'm seeing also with the trend line. If by chance price moved into this trend line, then give me some confirmation that's going to sell, that we're looking to sell this market again, breaking this level, then continuation. So it depends on what the market is giving you. I cannot 100% predict what is going to happen in the market. I will only follow what the market is doing, and that is the best way for you to trade. Once you have your structure pulled out, that is why I use structure majorly on the daily time frame. Then I use my Fibonacci retracement to on my 4 hours and 1 hour time frame to know where exactly a correction will be ending, or a retracement level is going to end for me to go along with the market. So this is currently what is happening on this GBPUSD. I focus more on GBPUSD because I understand the way it moves. Sometimes I trade gold, but currently now I'm focusing on GBPUSD because I understand the way it moves. I've done my back testing. I know how it behaves when it comes to structure. It respects structure so much. Is a trending mark, is a trending pairs. That is one thing again. That is why I love trading GBPUSD. Let me show you an example of what I mean by trending pair. If we look at this place now, I saw this level to be this whole level started from this particular candlestick here, which I define it to be a demand level, and you can see under demand level turned to a structural level. You can see when price came back here, there was a push to the upside. When price came back there again, there was a push to the upside again. So I've seen this happening many times in the past. Whenever a structure is respected, the next structure in that direction should be the next place market is going to react to. Now see, this is what I'm talking about here. After this push up here, price came back to this level. That means this level is defined already. Okay, let's see how price will move to this place again. If price will respect this level, definitely the next place we'll be looking at is this structure here, and look at how price moved to that structure, and see how price moved to this structure again. This shows that structure in GBPUSD, you can't joke with structure in GBPUSD. can see how the market is moving according to structural level. So that is why I base my whole setup, my whole trading analysis on what, on structures. When it comes to the higher time frame, I use the monthly and the week and the daily time frame for my structural level, and also weekly sometimes to identify, to divine some kind of important levels. So that is what I'll be seeing this week. I'll be expecting price to give me some kind of confirmation here. I might not do any video again throughout this week, depending on how market moves on this particular analysis. So that will be all for now, and see you another time. Thank you.